Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. If you want to see where the power outlet socket, fuses, relays are located, stay with us. We'll explain about that, guys, in this video today. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's go ahead and start on it now, guys. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. The power outlet socket fuses and relays. Let's explain about now where you can expect to find them, guys. Most people know about the fuse box that's actually right here under the hood, guys, facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side. When you open it, it looks like this one. But to our surprise, this is not the fuse box that we need. The one that we need is actually inside the vehicle, guys, and we'll explain about all your power outlet sockets, also known as cigarette lighters as well. Here, if you come next to the steering wheel on the left side, you remove the panel, you're going to have a hidden fuse box. By the way, we have a video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It will teach you about all your hidden fuse boxes, relays. You have many hidden relays. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, which fuses we need to check? Let's go ahead and explain that now. We'll be working the big fuses here. Next to the fuse on the top, you can see a very little number. The first one that we need to check is fuse number 31, right here. Fuse number 31. Next, you may have another one, guys. You wonder where? Well, fuse number 54. If you have another one, it will be right here. But now, fuse number 31. If the fuse keeps blowing or you replace the fuse still doesn't work, guys, it could be bad cigarette lighter socket. We'll have video how to replace cigarette lighter socket, and make sure you don't have anything like a coin, key, metal, anything, metal piece, anything like that inside the cigarette lighter socket, because that will short the fuse out and it can short your cigarette lighter socket, or also known as power outlet socket as well. But those are the main fuses. Now we don't have a relay, specifically dedicated relay. You have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will need to check on your Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside, inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.